The power of silence. Why the quiet always win. Most people talk too much. They explain. They defend. They react. Strong people don't. Silence is not weakness, it's control. And if you learn when not to speak, you gain power most people will never understand. Why silence makes you strong. Weak minds fill silence with noise. They talk to prove value. They argue to protect ego. They overshare to feel important. Strong minds do the opposite. Silence creates presence. Presence creates authority. When you don't rush to speak, people listen harder. When you don't explain yourself, people respect you more. When you don't react emotionally, you control the frame. Silence is not absence, it's pressure. Silence exposes others. Here's the uncomfortable truth. When you stay silent, people reveal themselves. They keep talking. They over-explain. They contradict themselves. Silence forces the other person to fill the space, and that space is where mistakes happen. That's why negotiators, leaders, and dangerous thinkers use silence. Talking gives away information. Silence collects it. If you want leverage, learn to shut up at the right moment. Silence protects your energy. Not every thought needs a voice. Not every insult needs a response. Not every opinion deserves your energy. Silence is how strong people protect focus. Arguing drains power. Explaining drains clarity. Reacting drains control. Silence keeps your mind sharp and your emotions disciplined. Powerful people choose their battles, and most battles aren't worth fighting. How to use silence practically. Here's how to apply it. Pause before responding. Let others speak first. Don't fill awkward silence. Only speak when your words add value. If your words don't improve the moment, don't release them. The loud chase attention. The quiet command respect. Master silence and you master yourself. Subscribe for more lessons on the winning mindset.